Hey my loves, it's your girl Nana back with another video. So today I will be doing a glitter look on my eyes. First, I will start off with priming my eyebrows. This is the step I love to do when doing my eyebrows. Priming your eyebrows makes it so easy to apply eyebrow pomade and it gives you a flawless look. So first, I'm going to start off with using my Sephora eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows. And next, I am going to apply my Maybelline New York Baby Skin Primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face, including my eyebrows. Okay, so next I am going in with my Bobbi Brown face base, and I am just going to prime my skin with this product. So guys, before putting on the primer or any type of primer, always moisturize your face with Nivea or any type of moisturizing lotion. I love Nivea because Nivea has like some type of formula to it and it's really good for moisturizing skin. So now I am going to do my eyebrows. I am taking my AnastasiaBeverlyHills in the shade Chocolate, and I am just going to fill in my eyebrows. This is how it looks inside. As you can see, I used a little bit already, but this is a good shade for my eyebrows. So to conceal my eyebrows, I am going in with these three concealers. I am taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And I am taking my Tarte Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Honey. And I'm just going to mix these three shades together. So now I am just going to apply the concealer. So now I am just going to take my e.l.f. stickling brush and I am just going to blend out this concealer. Okay, so now I have done my eyebrows. I am going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and I am going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. And I'm just going to blend out this foundation with my damp beauty blender. So now I am just going to go in with my Fenty concealer. And I'm just going to blend this in. And now I'm just gonna take my Tarte and highlight underneath my eyes. And now I'm just going to blend out this concealer. Okay, so I just finished off contouring my face with the Morphe contour stick in the shade Effect 17. So now I am just going to set my face with these two baking powders. This is my Beauty Bakery baking powder in the shade Plankton and my Ben Nye Banana Luxury powder in the shade Topaz. So now I am just going to brush off this powder with my MAC Studio Fix powder and my MAC Mineralized Skin Finished Powder in the shade Dark Deepest, and I'm just going to brush off this powder. Okay guys, so I just applied some bronzer and highlight. I just bronzed with my MAC Mineralized Bronzers and my Fenty Beauty Freestyle Highlighter. And now I am just going to do my eyeshadow. I am going to start off with my ColourPop palette in the shade Catch Me. And I'm just going to apply this on the outer creases of my eyelids. So now I am just going to go in with this shade called Melody, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner crease of my eyelids. So now I am going in with my Morphe palette in the shade Work the Room and Attention Please. And I'm just going to apply these two shades on the inner crease of my eyelids. So now I'm just going to apply some eyeliner and some eyelashes, and I'm just going to do my lips last. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I've done my eyeliner and my eyelashes. These are lashes by ienvy. If you don't know, eyelashes by Kiss. I've also done my lips. I've applied the MAC Prep and Prime, the MAC liner in the shade Chestnut, and my MAC lipsticks and my MAC lip gloss. So this is the finished look. And lastly, I also wanted to share my favorite fragrance. It is this Ariana Grande fragrance. This is how it looks on the outside, the box. This is the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. This is how this looks. And I'm just going to finish off this look with this fragrance. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye my loves.